Morning everyone. I thought I'd just start this one out with a real quick comment, just by saying that thank you again for all your support and comments, and to the people who give me the thumbs down or dislike the videos, why don't you just leave a comment and tell me why you don't like the videos. That would be much easier for me to understand why you dislike the videos rather than just disliking them, unless you're just too scared to leave a comment. I mean, I don't care if your comment's bad or good, or I want to know why you like or dislike the video if you wish to, but don't just give a thumbs down and dislike the video for no reason. If you think you're actually hurting me, you're not. You're actually helping me, because the algorithm is working quite well in my favour each time you do that. But I'd just like to know why you dislike the video. So leave a comment and let me know. It's easier. Don't be afraid. I'm not, and you don't bother me. Have a nice day. Here we go again. This famous roundabout, and people block the intersection and won't let you through. Oh boy, I'm glad I don't have to go on the freeway southbound in the mornings. I'm glad that is not part of anything I need to do.
You don't need to follow me. You don't need to follow anybody.
Oh, what are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Oi. Steady on, steady on. Jeez, you're not the only one on the road, mate. If there's one thing that does irritate me, is that when people fly around corners and they cut the corners. You know, don't fly into a corner. There might be a car coming. Don't cut the corner, you know, if you see another car. You know, because that's the thing. That's what irritates and irks me a lot. Am I wrong? Leave a comment. Don't cut the corner. Well, thanks for cutting the corner. Yeah, fuck you too, mate. What are you doing? Stop cutting the corner. Come on, let's go. Fucking green light. What are we waiting on? Jesus. You bloody idiot. You're a twit. You're a fucking twit. Oh, that's fucking brilliant, that one is. Of course, on this channel we don't just look at bad drivers and bad behaviour. We also look at beautiful classic cars, like that beautiful Holden in front of me. The EH Holden. Ute, to be precise. Very nice. Nice colour too. Like the blue. What do you think? Give a comment. Oh, jeez, buddy. Come on, buddy. People behind you. Come on, you're not the only one on the road. now see, I'm not abusing this driver, I'm just saying, come on, please. There's more than you on the road. Driving too slow. Impatient fucker, aren't ya? Couldn't wait a few seconds. Oh, Mr. Grumpy's out on his scooter. Must be making his way home in the dark. For those of you who live in the Coomera area and don't know Mr. Grumpy is an old bloke on a scooter, red scooter. He's a very grumpy man, and he will ask you for a cigarette, and if you don't give him one, he will abuse the crap out of you. I don't smoke anymore. I quit after 40 years of smoking, and I've been smoke free for over a year now, and I'm feeling great. No vaping, no nothing. I just feel good. But I know cigarettes sometimes made me a little bit more aggressive, angry if I didn't have one. Guys, you talk about dickhead drivers. Well, there's one right in front of me. I got to describe this to you because right now you can see the speed that I'm doing. Right, it's raining. The roads are slippery. This guy is towing a ute, and even though there's lights on the ute and all that, see that he just wobbled then because he had to brake hard. He's towing a bloody a ute on a trailer in the rain and speeding. Get off the phone, buddy. You're in a fucking big truck like that and you're on the phone. Why are you... Alright, you're a learner, but why are you riding down the bike lane? Why are you riding down the bike lane? You got somebody behind you, buddy. And no indicator either. But it does indicate there. Alright, come on. Let's go. Probably hasn't realised I'm even behind him yet. Come on, what are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Come on already, drive the car. Okay, sorry, you know, that to me is just a dumb shit because I'm sorry, like, why are you going so slow? You pull out, you get on the road, you drive. You don't sit there crawling along and going, oh, I want to go left here, or do I want to go right here? In my opinion, guys, that's what I would say. You're on the road. As soon as you're on the road, you're not the only one on the road.